Namrata Zavkar. I have 10 plus years of experience in teaching. I am going to conduct free online workshop on basic of mathematics for class 5 student till class 10 student on 2nd August 2021. So please save the date, as I know there are so many students who are scared about mathematics subject, who are facing so many difficulties in mathematics subject. So don't worry, after attending this workshop, I'll confirm you that at least your basics of mathematics will get strong. At least your basic of mathematics will get clear. And once your basics of mathematics got clear, you will simply love this subject. Am I right? So now I'll just give you the brief introduction about our 3 days workshop. The first important thing, you have to register yourself for this workshop. So registration link, I have given the registration link in the description box. You need to click on that link for the registration process, and you need to connect me through WhatsApp group. Okay. The second important thing, after completion of this workshop, I'll be conducting one test. So don't worry, that test will be completely based on whatever we are going to learn, whatever we are going to study in that particular workshop. And the third important thing is student parents feedback, which is very important us to grow. And I'll be providing you a small token of appreciation in the form of certificate. So kindly connect with me on 2nd August 2021. Please do share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.